So now let's see how we can work around with query loop block inside of wordpress.com. So over here you can see that I got this particular editor opened up in WordPress right here, and in order to add in a query loop block, you need to go ahead and click in between two blocks right here until you see the plus button, and over here you need to go ahead and type in query right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that query loop is an option. So once you go around over there, you can see that it says choose a pattern for the query loop to start or start blank. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose right here, and you can see that I got a query right here. So you can go ahead and choose right here just like this, and you got the query loop right here for that particular type of post. If I were to go ahead right here, let me just go ahead and let's say delete this particular block right here. So I'm just going to delete this particular block, and then over here I can also start blank right here and add in title or dates, or maybe image date and title right here. So I can choose the type of variations that I want right here, and you can see that accordingly you get a query loop right here just like this with the type of that particular format right here, and then you can see that you get the post that you have on your particular site accordingly right here. So now you can also go ahead and utilize inner block contents right here just like this, push it to inner block right here, change around the justification as you can see right here, and you can also go ahead and change around the text right here. You can change around the background color for this as well, and change around the size of the text as well. You can also go ahead and change around the dimensions right here, and change around the block padding as you can see right here, and then work around with the block spacing and so forth just like this as well. If I were to go ahead and save this out right here, I can go ahead on to view the post right here. Then what you have is you got the query block right here just like this, the query loop block that is. And that is how you can utilize the query loop block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.